my channel, welcome back to Dolly's World. And on today's video we are sponsored by Irresistible Me. Yes, Irresistible Me. Guys, I am wearing an Irresistible unit right now that they sent to me. Let's just have a moment of silence for this hair. It is so beautiful. Guys, I have to confess that I'm not the best person when it comes to doing hair. I'm gonna the normal stuff, washing, deep conditioning, just that kind of stuff I'm good at doing. But styling and just all that other stuff, I am not good. But this hair is so easy to take care of. Everywhere I go, always get compliments on it. The length, as you can see, is so long, and I just absolutely love this hair. It is so thick, it doesn't shed at all. There's no shedding. There's literally, obviously there is a little bit of shedding, but there's very minimal shedding. And I'm just so in love with this hair. And the other good thing about this hair that I've realized, guys, you can part it. Like, you see I've got a side party now, okay? You can part it so many different ways. Like, look at this. You can part it here, you can part it here. Like, you can literally part it so many ways this hair. You can wear it in so many different styles. You can wear it with a middle part, you can wear it all back. And the good thing is, yes guys, it's glueless. It is a glueless unit, which I am so in love with, because obviously I don't want to like really glue hair down, but yeah, I don't want to glue hair down, but it's just really, I just brush it, put a bit of like oil in it, just a little bit of like hair oil, sometimes, not all the time, and there you go. And then I'm off whatever style I want to do. If I want to do a middle part, I do a middle part. If I want to do a side part like I have now, I do a side part. Okay, so guys, with this wig there is a discount. Let me just make sure I will put it on the screen. It's I am Dolly, I am dash Dolly, and we'll put their website on our description box, and also we'll have the website on the bottom of the screen. And make sure you get 10% off. You will not regret this hair, guys. It is so thick and so luscious, and I'm just in love. Just look at me, okay? Look at me, look at me. And I'll insert a few pictures here, me wearing this hair, and yeah, just let me know what you guys think. And back to the video now, back to our video. So guys, I know I showed you this bag before. I loved this bag so brody much that I got it in the bigger size. Like, I love this bag. I love the leather of it. It is so beautiful. And I'm gonna insert an image here and show you how big the box is humongous. Not even humongous, humongous. So that box is bigger than my head. So without further ado, oh guys, I've got to quickly just say something. I love it. So I wanted to go for the pink. I think I said it to you guys last time that I wanted the pink, but I obviously changed my mind, because I change my mind like all the time. So I changed my mind. I don't want the pink. I went for the Tiffany blue. It's not really called Tiffany blue, but it's like a Tiffany blue. I went for that blue, which I absolutely love. I love it. And the thing is that I love about it, with the drawstrings, every bag I've noticed, even my like the bigger ones, they got the baby blue. So if you buy a baby blue one, you get a baby blue drawstring. If you buy like a pink one, you get a pink drawstring. I love that little detail. So without further ado, let's get started. I love this dust bag, bigger than me. Let's. California, California, to the city. Don't know why I'm singing that song. California. What? Excuse me? What? Hello? Excuse me? What? This is such a... And look at the pillow. Look at this pillow. Bigger than my head. But I'm so in love with this bag. It is just so beautiful. Obviously I haven't taken it. You've got to take all this stuff off. And if you take this little thing off, then you can't return it, but I'm not going to return it. Like this, with me at the airport, excuse me? What? It's such a beautiful bag. Look at it. Look at them. Mummy and daddy, daughter and mother, husband and wife, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm just so in love with this bag. It's just so beautiful. The leather is just so beautiful, and I showed you guys all the, it's basically the same as the other one inside, not much difference, but it is just so pretty, and I'm just so in love with it. I love the leather. Like, I just love the fact like you don't have to be like sensitive with this bag. You can just like kind of just like scrunch it up. You can just kind of scrunch it up. And I just love that. I love this color. I am actually quite happy that I went with this blue instead of the pink. I think this blue is, obviously the pink is still timeless, but I just think this is more timeless. That if I had a son, I could give it to my son. If I had a daughter, I can give it to my daughter. So yeah, I love it. I'm just so in love with this bag. I just can't wait. This year has been a no trip year for me. Some people them. Anyway, it's been a no travel. I haven't been traveling as much as I usually do, guys, but such is life. But yeah, I love this bag. It's so beautiful. I love the blue. I love the leather. It's just such a beautiful leather, and it smells so good. It smells so good. It doesn't smell like, it just smells like leather. If you like the smell of leather, you will like it. But how beautiful is it? Like, come on. Cousins, hello. Stepbrother and sister, hello. Yeah, and let me just show you guys this. So it also comes with this pouch. Like, what? Look at the difference in size. It also comes with this pouch. I guess this pouch, you just can use it for your, let me put this down. You can use it for your like passport or just putting stuff in. With my one, I usually just put, I was actually using it as a coin purse. Like with all my other bags, then I stopped using it and I got another coin purse. Then I got another bag to use, so I got another story for another day. So yeah, so this is it. And you just clip it on. Let's just, why don't we just do this all together? Do it to this together, okay? Voila. All it needed was a little bit of common sense. Common sense is not common. And then let's open this. Got this, all this stuff in there. Got the little padlock. Let's put the padlock on. The padlock is so beautiful. This is the thing. I just open things like one gorilla. With no motion. Number in there, so let's click that on there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what, that is so pretty. Got the padlock there. You guys, after 129 years of my life, I finally discovered how to put the key thing on. Do you know what, guys? Next video I'm doing it upstairs because I've got such a nice space that I create for us to do videos, and I keep just doing it in like my reading area, which I don't mind. Let me know, guys, what you guys would prefer. Do you want me to carry on doing it in my reading area, or do you want to put that there? I think I really, well, you want my name in it? I want my name in it. I love things with my name in it. I notice some people will be like, oh wait, you know, then you can't really resell it. But girl, I ain't trying to resell it. I'm trying to keep it. I'm trying to keep it. This is the thing with me. I like things fast, too quickly. How did I do it last time? I can't remember it this hard. See, it's like that. You put it on like that. Where's my mom? Where's my mummy to help me? I My mom's good at things like this because she's patient. This is how cool I am. I was about to use my teeth and pull it with my teeth. Girl, that was a workout. Oh, you have it. Give yourself a little bit of credit, Dolly. Give yourself a little bit. Give yourself a bit of credit. Who your daddy is. Who your daddy is. So there you go. I put it on. And this time I actually, with my other one, I put the bag the wrong way. I put this the other way. Honestly, I'm a nightmare with doing things like this. Things that need coordination. As you guys know, I'm dyslexic. Take me a long time, a very long time to do certain things. Like sometimes at the roundabout, I get people beeping at me because obviously I'm taking time to adjust that information. Is it left or right? Now we're talking. We're bamboozing. Bam, 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 boom. So we've done it. We've done it. Teamwork makes the dream work. Oh, you need to put the little key in the little hole thing, but I can't do it again, being dyslexic. So I've got to have someone do that for me because I can't do it. I'll start using my teeth, and that's not how you do things with your teeth. My teeth have gone through it. So I'm just gonna put this like this for now till I can find someone to do that ring key thing because I won't be able to do it. And that is it, guys. How beautiful is she? How beautiful are they? Let me know, guys, down below what one is your favorite color and what one you prefer. Let's just quickly just look. Oh, look at the little pillows as well. Oh, look at the little pillows. Oh. This was such a good idea, by the way, for them to make pillows because you do actually end up just stuffing your bags with paper and stuff like that, or tissue paper that came with the bag to keep the bags in nice shape. But look at that, lovely, lovely, lovely. And while I was doing this, guys, I've never actually showed you, I don't know if I have shown you what's in my, God knows what the bag is called, but I have shown you, I thought I hadn't shown you, but I just remembered. I have shown you this other one. I have shown you this, yeah. I thought I hadn't shown you guys this, but I have. Last time I think I did what fits in, God knows what this bag is called. Brendan, have a look what this bag is called. What this bag is called, I forgot. So I'll put it here below so you guys can see what it's called. But I was gonna just show you guys this bag, but I just remembered that you guys have seen it. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link below so you can watch it. And that is it for this video, guys. Make sure you go and you purchase this wig. Look at it. Make sure you go and purchase this wig. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. I'm a mermaid. I'm a mermaid. I'm a mermaid. I am a real life mermaid. Till next time, guys. Dolly's World. I love you. Mwah. Ooh, hold on. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay? See ya.